Welcome back, guys. In this previous session, we have discussed about the meaning of income tax, some important terms in income tax, residential status of an individual, and then scope of total income. In this session, we are going to discuss about the exempted income under Section 10 of Income Tax Act 1961. Before knowing about the exempted incomes, let us know what is Section 10 in income tax. Section 10 main objective is to reduce the burden of the different structure of the tax, such as rent allowance, allowance for children's education, traveling allowance, gratuity, pension, and so on. Now, we will see about the important exempted incomes under Section 10 of Income Tax Act 1961. According to Section 10, subsection 1, agricultural income earned by the taxpayer in India is exempted from tax. Next, according to Section 10, subsection 2, amount received out of income of family estate by any members of such Hindu undivided family is exempted from tax. Section 10 subsection 2a deals with share of profit received by a partner from a firm is exempt from tax in the heads of partners. Section 10 subsection 4 class 1, in the case of a non-resident, any income by way of interest on certain notified securities or bonds is exempted from tax under Section 10, subsection 4, class 1. According to Section 10, subsection 4b, if an individual being a citizen of India or a person of Indian origin who is non-resident, any income from interest on such saving certificates will be exempted from tax. The employee is entitled to exemption under Section 10, subsection 5 in respect of the value of travelling concession. According to Section 10, subsection 6, if the remuneration or salary is received by the non-resident assessee, it is exempted from tax. Any remuneration or fees received by a consultant from an international organization is exempted for the taxpayer under Section 10, subsection 8a. Under Section 10, subsection 10, gratuity is a payment made by the employer to employee in appreciation of the past service rendered by the employee. The gratuity received by the government employee is fully exempted from tax for the taxpayer and partially taxable in case of non-government employee. If pension is received by the government employees or employees of local authority or employees of statutory corporation, that will be exempted under Section 10, subsection 10a. Leave encashment received by an employee will be exempted fully or partially for an assessee under Section 10, subsection 10aa. If any sum received under a life insurance premium is only exempted from tax under Section 10, subsection 10d. Lump sum amount received from statutory provident fund at the time of termination of service is exempted in the hands of employee under Section 10, subsection 11. According to Section 10, subsection 12, amount received from recognized provident fund at the time of termination of service is exempted from tax. Under Section 10, subsection 13a, the exemption in respect of HRA is based upon the salary, place of residence, rent paid, or house rent allowance received. Next, we will see the summary of this session. In this session, we have discussed about what is meant by exempted income, then some of the important exempted incomes under section 10. With this session, we come to an end of the unit 1. Thank you.